Ma'am, we have been unscientifically bifurcated in 2014. When the first budget was presented in the AP State Assembly, the revenue deficit in that budget was almost 24,000 crores, ma'am. From then, our debt has been increasing, and it has reached to as of June 2024, it has reached to 9.74 lakhs, ma'am. In 2019, the debt was around 3.75 lakhs, ma'am, and 2024 it has reached to 9.74 lakhs, ma'am. So for a state that is so young, it's only 10 years old, ma'am, we need a lot of hand-holding. We want to stand up, we want to run with other states of this country. We want to be part of this development that's happening in other parts of the country, ma'am. For this, we need more support from the central government, ma'am, because getting grants or making debt is one thing, ma'am, but where we are spending is the most important thing. If you are spending it on, if we can balance both welfare and infrastructure, yes, that is a good way of spending it, ma'am. But the problem that has happened for Andhra Pradesh was that from 2019 to 24, coming to Water Resource Department, only 20,000 crores was spent on it, ma'am. From 2014 to 19, in the same Water Resources Department, we spent almost 47,000 crores. So it has gone down by almost 60% in the capital expenditure in the Water Resources Department. When it comes to transports, roads and buildings, in 2014 to 19, Andhra Pradesh spent 8,800 crores, ma'am. But from 19 to 24, it has come down to 1,357 crores, ma'am. It has almost come down by almost 70%. So creating a debt, getting money, borrowing money is one thing, ma'am, but where we are spending is the most important thing. We are very much confident that we want to be part of this development. We want to reconstruct the state. We want to rebuild the state. We need more support from the union government, which we are looking forward, man. We are on the knees before the 2024 election. Now we are standing up. We want to run with the other states of this country. We need more support from the union government, which we look forward to in the next 5 years.